You shower every morning. You wear clean clothes. You even iron your shirt. But there is one grooming mistake you are still making, and it is silently telling everyone in the room that you have stopped trying. It is not your outfit. It is not your shoes. It is something most men never even look at twice. And after 40, the single mistake overrides everything else you do right. Today, we are exposing it, and more importantly, we are fixing it permanently. Stay with me. This channel exists for one type of man. The man who refuses to disappear after 40. Not the man chasing youth. The man building authority. Every week, Timeless Style 40 Plus delivers practical grooming and style strategies designed specifically for men who understand that appearance is not vanity. It is power. If you are watching this, you already think differently from most men your age. Subscribe now and make it official. Hit the bell. Join a community of men who are showing up sharper, stronger, and more commanding every single day. Your best years are not behind you. Mistake number 1. Overgrown eyebrows. Most men never touch their eyebrows in their 20s and get away with it completely. But after 40, everything changes. Hormones shift. Hair growth becomes unpredictable. Eyebrows grow longer, thicker, and wilder, sometimes overnight. And here is what nobody tells you. Untamed eyebrows do not look rugged or masculine. They look neglected. They draw attention away from your eyes and toward the disorder above them. Your eyes are your most powerful facial feature. They communicate confidence, intelligence, and presence. When your eyebrows are overgrown, they hijack that power completely. This is not about vanity. This is about control. The fix is simple and takes less than 3 minutes. Once every 2 weeks, use a small grooming scissors or a dedicated eyebrow trimmer. Trim any hair that grows beyond the natural brow line. Remove the strays between your brows. Keep the shape clean but masculine. Never thin, never shaped like a fashion statement. Just controlled. Just intentional. The moment you do this, your entire face looks sharper. Your eyes appear more open. Your expression reads stronger. One small habit. A completely different man in the mirror. Mistake number 2. Dry, cracked lips. This one is invisible until it is not. Most men walk into meetings, conversations, and first impressions with lips that are peeling, cracked, or colorless, and they have no idea how much it is costing them. Here's the truth. Lips are one of the first things people notice during face-to-face conversation. They are central to your expression, your speech, and your overall facial health. After 40, skin produces less natural moisture. Your lips show that change faster than almost anywhere else on your face. Cracked lips do not signal toughness. They signal that you are not paying attention to the details. And men who miss small details are rarely trusted with large responsibilities. The fix requires almost zero effort. Every morning, apply a simple clear lip balm before you leave the house. Not flavored, not glossy, just a clean basic balm with SPF protection. 30 seconds maximum. Once a week, gently exfoliate your lips with a damp warm cloth to remove dry skin. That is the entire routine. The result is a face that looks healthier, more vital, and more alive. Small detail. Massive difference in how people receive you. Mistake number 3. Ignoring ear and nose hair. Most men discover this problem and immediately think, it is not that noticeable. Or worse, they accept it as a natural part of aging and leave it completely alone. That is a costly error. Here is what is actually happening. When people speak to you, they are looking at your face from a close and direct angle. Visible nose hair and ear hair are immediately noticeable at that distance. And regardless of how expensive your watch is or how well your shirt fits, that one detail resets every positive impression you have built. It does not read as distinguished. It does not read as experienced. It reads as someone who stopped looking in the mirror with honest eyes. After 40, this hair grows faster and becomes coarser. It is biology. But biology is not destiny. The fix takes under 2 minutes. Invest in a quality electric nose and ear trimmer. Use it every single week without exception. Make it part of your Sunday grooming routine, the same way you would brush your teeth. Check both nostrils. Check both ears. Check the area just inside the ear canal. Clean, clear, and controlled. That is what authority looks like up close. Mistake number 4. Neglected hands and fingernails. Most men focus entirely on their face and completely forget that their hands are visible every single moment of every interaction. You shake hands. You gesture when you speak. You hand someone a document, a card, or a phone. Your hands are always on display. And here is what high-status men understand that average men do not. Clean, well-maintained hands communicate discipline and self-respect without a single word spoken. It is one of the most powerful silent signals a man can send. After 40, hands age visibly. Skin becomes drier. Nails grow unevenly. Cuticles crack and lift. Men who ignore this look considerably older than men who simply maintain basic hand care. The fix is straightforward. Trim your nails every week. Keep them short, even, and clean underneath. Push back your cuticles gently after a shower when the skin is soft. Apply a simple unscented hand moisturizer every night before bed. No nail polish. No elaborate treatments. Just clean, trimmed, and moisturized. When you extend your hand for a handshake, that moment carries weight. Make sure what the other person sees reinforces the image you have worked hard to build. Details win rooms. Never forget that. Mistake number 5. Uneven or poorly maintained neckline. This is a mistake that surprises most men, and it is the one that produces the most dramatic transformation when corrected. Here's why. Your neckline is the border between your hairstyle and your face. It is a frame that either sharpens your entire head or destroys it completely. Most men only think about their neckline on the day they visit a barber, but hair grows every single day, and an overgrown, undefined neckline makes even a fresh haircut look weeks old within days. It also adds visual weight to the lower face and jaw area. After 40, maintaining a clean jawline definition becomes more important, not less. A blurry neckline erases that definition entirely. The fix is straightforward. Ask your barber specifically to give you a hard, clean neckline with every cut. Between visits, use a simple trimmer to maintain the line yourself every 5 to 7 days. Follow the natural curve just above your neck. Keep it tight, clean, and defined. This single adjustment makes your head look more structured. Your haircut looks fresher longer. Your jaw reads stronger. No product required. No extra time. Just precision. And precision is exactly what separates a sharp man from an invisible. E1. Grooming after 40 is not about looking younger. It is about looking intentional. Every man in this video has earned his age. The goal is never to hide it. The goal is to wear it with precision. When you control the small details, you send a message that requires no introduction. You walk into any room, and people feel your standard before you say a single word. That is not vanity. That is leadership. Timeless Style 40 Plus exists to help you build and protect that standard. Every single day. When these 5 mistakes disappear from your routine, something unexpected happens. People listen more carefully when you speak. Rooms shift when you enter. Conversations open differently. Opportunities that once passed quietly now pause and turn toward you. Nothing dramatic changed on the outside, but everything shifted in how the world receives you. That is the real result. Not just a sharper reflection in the mirror, a stronger presence in every space you occupy. Your grooming routine is now a daily declaration. It tells the world exactly who you are before you speak. A single word. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 mistakes hit you the hardest? Drop your answer in the comments below. Include your age. I read every single one. And if this video opened your eyes, the next one will change your entire approach to how you dress. Because grooming is only half the equation. The other half is what you put on your body every morning. Click the video on your screen right now. It is waiting for you. Stay sharp. Stay intentional. You have earned every bit of this.